What's up, fam? All right, we're back at the shop today, and I know it's been a couple days. Hope you guys have been enjoying the videos. I've been trying to put them out, thinking about probably maybe one a week-ish. We'll see how my schedule goes and everything. We've been waiting on a couple things to show up. You probably saw in one of the previous videos, not the last video, but probably the one before that, that we had some problems with our battery. Well, super awesome, but I'm super pleased to announce that Anti-Gravity Batteries has come on board, and they have hooked us up with not only a battery, but a freaking lithium battery. So I'm super pumped to run this. Should have no problems with power, voltage, wattage, cranking amps, anything like that, because this bad baby is one solid unit. Hope you like this B-roll. Let's roll the tape. Definitely sputtering. Woo! It fired, but it died immediately. Pretty much all the sensors. So oil pressure, coolant pressure, EMAP, fuel pressure, and turbo speed. Well guys, as you can see, we're having some problems getting it started. Mainly it's come down to there's a whole lot of diagnostics and calibration that needs to go into a standalone ECU. And we're kind of just getting all those things set it up, getting all the sensors calibrated, everything like that, so that everything's happy as far as the tune goes. Once that happens, we end up getting first start. So I'm not going to bore you with all the failed attempts, but I will put a couple more in, and we're going to go ahead and get to the good stuff. So hope you guys stay tuned for that. It's so loud.
Yeah.
Fuck yeah. We got the homie showing up. Sexy. It even sounds good. Everything is 100% together. We put some water in, catch can's hooked up, everything's zip tied, out of the way, hooked up, pretty much ready to give this a fire up and break some cams in. And then I forgot that I left the laptop at home. So luckily my buddy Zane is here, and he's gonna run me and him over to my house real quick so we can pick up the laptop and get some logs of it running for its first heat cycle, and yeah, we'll kind of just go from there. Unfortunately, I'm a dumbass, but hey, looks pretty good all put together though, I will say. It is not that bad of an engine bay. Leave a comment down below, tell me what you think of the engine bay. 1,500 to 4,000. And you probably have to add some water in there at some point too.
I know, that's why I got water here.
Okay. Alright, well, here goes nothing, fam. Hopefully we'll get somewhere.
I know, he was trying to break in the cans. I told him it was awfully late. We got another minute and we'll shut her down. Sorry, man. I really am sorry. No, we're literally, my timer's on right now. Okay. So we'll be done in a minute. All right. Sorry, man. I'm really sorry. I was walking by, a flame blew out.
This new IAG oil pan literally drains directly from the bottom.
I saw that.
Yeah, and it sure is fucking. Oh, shit, I got the wrong one.
Yeah, I could roast a marshmallow over this turbo.
Yeah, no shit, dude.
That came out like rocket shit.
Oh, the oil looks great, bro. Look at that. Look at how clear it is.
Yeah. It's nice. Would you use the BR again?
Yeah. That's what I'm saying about this fucking driven, dude. This fucking oil is literally made for Subarus, dude. Wow. I thought I was gonna see a bunch of fucking metal in there, dude. There's the filter. Looks brand fucking new. The oil is so clear. It looks literally like we just poured it in. Fill up another filter, I guess, and finally got our shipment of the trusty old driven BR40 braking oil. Okay guys, so I went ahead and I got brand new Rife temperature sensors. We were using AEM, but for some odd reason we can't get it to configure with the Emtron. So Motion Research supplies all of the calibration info for these sensors. So since our oil is drained and the oil temperature sensor goes into the bottom of the pan, I'm just gonna go ahead and replace it right now. Okay.
Actually, did you want to see if that water?
Get a light. Let me see if it's clear or not. Hold on.
Yeah, some.
Yeah.
Fine shit, like
Very,
shit.
very minimal. Yeah, I think that's 100% normal. I want to drive it, but
All right, ready? Oil.
Yep. Yeah.
This one?
Dump that. Yep. Dump that shit right in there. So here's the oil, and I'm not sure if you guys can really see all that well. There's like a kind of a gnarly little glare. You can kind of see all that fine stuff in there. Here, we'll do it again. Nothing super crazy, nothing super alarming. I mean, honestly, you just look in the pan like normal. You can't even really see. There is some dirt and some other stuff in this oil pan. This isn't the best. This was just the filter oil that came out. This is the actual engine oil. And you can kind of see how all this is like separating like this. This is either fuel or the actual metal within it. Now, I do think the metal's probably fallen to the bottom, but honestly, it's pretty much the same kind of deal. So, again, I think all this is normal. I've actually seen worse oil than this. So, do I think it's a bearing or anything like that? No, absolutely not. With that, we're gonna go ahead and end this one out. Guys, I'm super excited as to the progress we've made and where we're finally at. Now, am I super happy with the outcome of tonight? I'd say probably about 75%. I just wish the car ran a little bit better, but honestly, I think it has something to do with the tune. We literally, I monitored temperatures, pressures, everything while I was doing break-in. I mean, hell, it even shot a damn fireball, for Pete's sake. We drained the oil and we only had one little leak. Other than that, the oil itself, like I showed you guys, to me, it just seems like normal glitter. Like it's just normal engine glitter. I mean, nothing major, big or anything like that. It's like just really, really, really fine glitter. Now, I think that's pretty normal, to be honest. So, I'm gonna have my tuner go over the logs that I took of the cam break-in and see what he has to say, maybe make a couple changes. I know this car is really gonna suck on drivability, just because, you know, it's got a massive clutch, big turbo, all those kinds of things. But if he can do anything to help us, that would be awesome. So that at least I can go and drive this thing, because I do want to go drive this thing. Other than that, I would say it was a success. I'm super excited that we're at this point. Like I said, I don't think it's the motor. So, hey, we'll take the wins where we can get them, right? Again, guys, if you've made it this far, I appreciate it. Thank you very much. If you aren't subscribed to the video or this channel, you should also do that. As well as like this video, because, guys, like I said earlier, I'm trying to plan on posting one a week. So, yeah, stay tuned for those. And drop some likes, drop some comments for me. Help me get into the algorithm. And we'll kind of just keep pushing, and hopefully I can keep on bringing you guys some sweet content. Can't believe the car's running. Pissed off the neighbors. I mean, big wins in my book. So again, thank you guys. Appreciate it. We'll catch you guys in the next one. Later.